Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. In this episode, we're gonna pick up exactly, and I mean exactly, where we left off in the last episode. We got the Bumblebee back to the unit, we took off the front bumper and the wing. We're beginning the paint process. If you're watching this for the first time, my name is D, and what I do, I take cars from the auction, I put a lot of love and affection back into them, and I get them back on the roads. So, the plan for today's video is, let me show you. Have a look at the Bumblebee. She's been cleaned. She's looking a treat. If you remember in the last episode, we replaced the wheels, we got it all aligned, everything's fine. Fitted my passenger side headlight, that is fine. Everything on this side is fine. However, that's an issue over there. We've got to sort these bad boys out. We've prepped it for paint. We've scuffed it with a bristle pad right here. And we're just about to continue the paint work procedure. So, in today's episode, we're going to be getting these two bad boys painted and hopefully, fingers crossed, doing a final fitment onto this car. Here's the old front bumper. The damage was isolated to the driving side, so all of my grills, all of my wiring is completely fine. I need to remove that from this bumper and get it ready to go into this once this is finished painted. After that, I'm going to be doing this by hand. I'm not going to pressure washing this. I'm going to be giving the engine bay a nice clean. Once all of that is done, I want to get this car out. I'm going to take it further afield. I know I've been just having these little runs on the local roads. We're going to be taking this car further afield. We're going to be getting a lot more test driving. I want to do some more launch controls, and I really want to push this car to the limits and just do a full test to make sure that all the suspension work that we've done is all good before deciding what we're going to be doing with this car on the channel. So if that's what you want to see, stick around. I've got a lot of work to do, so let's crack on. Guys, time out, hold on. That paint is looking good, right? I'm gonna take you back there in a minute, but for now, it's giveaway time. If you remember in the last video, I said to you guys, comment down below, hashtag 6K Club, what was your favorite part of the channel this far? Well, guess what? I've got these 2 jet tags to give away, one for the wifey, one for the daily. I've got 2 jet tags, his and hers, to give away to the favorite comment, and I've picked a comment and I'm gonna let you know what it is right now before we head back to the video. So there were lots of cool comments about different build moments and different parts on the channel, but my absolute favorite, it was a unique one and it was a very special point in my life on a personal level because I had recently had a baby and someone has picked up on it, and that lucky person is D Watson. So D Watson, I'll put the comment down below. He left a comment saying, hashtag 6K Club, my favorite part was the trip in the Batmobile with your family. That was a big moment for the channel. That was the first kind of big build that I was doing. It was 2017 E-Class. I took a trip with my family and my newborn baby. We had a little chat about that newborn baby with me and my girlfriend. That was the first time that my girlfriend was on the channel. There were so many big moments in that video. So Mr. D Watson, I've got 2 jet tags for you. Hit me up on Instagram and I'll get them shipped out to you. So guys, that's it. I've got so many more giveaways planned. My new sponsors, the guys from Matt Speed and Rods, they've sent me out a couple, 2 packages. Now I'm gonna be giving them away once I get to 10K. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button and let's get back to the video. There you have it, guys. Have a look at those parts. They've come out so nice. Let's have a closer look. So we've gone ahead and put down 3 layers of base coat on both panels, followed by another 4 layers of clear coat on both panels. And have a look at that, guys. It's a perfect match. We've got the car covered, but have a look. Old paint, new paint, old paint, new paint. It's a perfect match. It's been a long old day, and we're gonna catch you guys in the morning. Right guys, it's the next morning here, and if you look behind me, you remember we sprayed those panels last night. Now we're gonna continue. We're not even gonna waste any time. We're gonna get straight into it. I've got all of these wires, grills, sensors, badges, everything needs to get removed from the old broken parts, get them ready to place onto these newly sprayed parts, and then hopefully we're gonna get them onto that car there. So without further ado, let's continue. Right guys, it's been a lot of headache to get these bits out, but they're my 2 front grills. There's some chrome trims and some other bits of sensors and wiring that's over there. They're all gonna go into this new bumper before we get it onto the car. I've got some other bits of the Nero kit. This came with the Nero kit, little fins and stuff off the Nero kit. I've got this bumper insert that takes the pressure sensor into that groove and some other grills and stuff. Then I'm gonna finish it off with the Mercedes badge, take the turbo badge off, put it onto the new wing, and then hopefully we'll be getting this car out of here. Right guys, so I fitted all my sensors, all my grills, all my wires onto the bumper. As you've seen, I had a broken wire here. I've sorted out that wire. I had a broken wire onto this sensor right there. I've done a repair there. I've fitted my carrier, and as you saw earlier, I've fitted the pressure sensor. What's left to do is we're gonna assemble the bumper and then get the car out of here and see what's going on. Guys, there we have it. The car's done with the assembly, but we're flying the Albanian flag.
Yeah, baby.
The Eagles are flying.
The Eagle.
Yeah?
Check out my AMG.
That's it, guys. Salvage Nation family, they come round, they check them out. This is your car?
Yes, baby.
This
is my other car.
Yeah? What's the reg about?
That's the Albanian town. Any Albanian will recognise that. That's my son's.
Okay. So, Has, I know we've got some Albanians who watch the channel. Tell me what Has is about. Let me know in the comments down below. This guy's from...
About this flag, yeah?
Yeah?
About this flag.
Any Albanians watching, what does this flag mean? Let me know down below. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get this out, then we're gonna get that out today. But before we do, let me show you, give you a reminder of what we've done today. Guys, there you have it. Final assembly on my AMG A35 is complete. It's taken a lot more time than I expected. It's taken all day, but check it out. So I've fitted the front bumper, all of these grills and sensors. Oh my, there's so many little intricate bits and bobs that goes into these builds and goes into these new cars. It took absolutely ages, but it's all together, it's all sorted. I've still got to put in my wheel arch liner on that side. I still have to reassemble and refit my side skirt on the passenger side, and also I'll be putting in my wheel arch liner on this side as well. I've just taken the car and taken it onto the diagnostics, and like I said earlier, the hood poppers are gone. I need to swap those out. I've got a fault code for the auxiliary battery inside. I need to swap that out. There's still lots and lots of work to do on this car. However, for today, this is where we're going to be ending it. So if you've enjoyed this episode today, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, guys, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 10K. I'm going to be giving away a whole bunch of goodies once I get to 10K subscribers. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, go down below, smash that subscribe button. Guys, this is where we're going to be ending it. I'm going to head off now. So, like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you next time.